Hello everyone, this is Matthew Frailey with BreakpointTrades.com. This is a quick intraday market update for Wednesday, September 22nd. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First off, as you know, today is an FOMC day. FOMC is a little under 2 hours. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. Markets had a nice bounce here today. Yesterday was quite choppy. So just following up quickly on what I talked about on Monday. I talked about this potential ABC type correction. I was looking for Monday's lows to potentially be some sort of low of wave A. There were more bearish options where this could have been a 3 and working on a 4. It could still be that actually. And or, you know, wave A could still be in. But either way, I was looking for some sort of bounce. And if this continues, I've been kind of targeting this, say, 50-day moving average area, lower high. We've had a pretty good rally today. S&P's up about 50 points. So if you went long yesterday and you were a bit concerned, you have a nice profit. If you were concerned, you could take some profits. Again, I do believe up in here is a short. So again, we'll see how the market reacts to the FOMC comments. But nice day on that. Let's move on. Here's the 60-minute chart. Again, this is that, kind of breaks down that wave structure we talked about, the potential A, B. You can count the 5-wave structure within the A here, and then this being another move down and to complete possibly A. The more bearish view would have this as a wave 3. All right. Again, for now, this is the one I view, and you can see so far we have this sort of AB structure up, which is what I thought. All right. 50% fib right around this 44.25 area. That'll be an area I'll be monitoring. There's this gap area. Here's a 30-minute chart. Shows you these fibs a little more cleaner. Again, yesterday we simply had if you look here, a minor ABC pullback. So here you can see A, B, and then working on this wave C. Hopefully it works its way higher up into this range. Good short opportunity. But you know, you could also see, remember, all this stuff is fractal, so you can see a little A, B, C here. So that's why we were leaning for a move to the upside. So far we got it today. And a couple other things. Here's the VIX. So the VIX is now back inside its Bollinger Bands. Yesterday it was, but it still managed to close outside its upper Bollinger Bands as the market pulled back late in the day. So if it does close back inside the Bollinger Bands, that'll constitute a VIX Bollinger Band buy signal where you see all these vertical lines from the previous times. Okay. Again, these were all great little buy signals. This one here ended up just being a quick buy signal, and then another decline, but all these others led to new highs. I don't think we're going to see that this time, but you know, maybe we'll still see further upside after that. We'll see, but that will probably go on a buy signal today. Again, I wouldn't have waited for this. Like I said, I would have bought yesterday or even Monday near those lows when we thought it was going to rally up. As far as bonds, so far, TLT still in the coil here. High yield corporate, nice rally today. It did bounce off the support area, so that doesn't look too bad, quite honestly. Energy area, a nice day. Still has this resistance zone, but you do have this higher low potentially. And a couple other things I want to mention. So regarding the market, let's go look at some of the
order filled.
Let's look at some of the systems here. By the way, you just heard that. It looks like I had a trade go through. So regarding some of these automated mechanical systems, so as you know, the SPY systems have been long. The trend pullback entered a second entry on Monday. That is nicely up. So if you happen to enter a couple of contracts, even the more aggressive version isn't going to exit yet. It still needs to close over the 9 EMA here. Okay, I'll let you know when we get that, but they're still not going to get that today. I'm still hoping market can push higher for another day or two, and we can get above that 9 EMA, and that'd be for a nice trade. Remember, these are reversion to mean type systems, so once in a while they get caught and need a couple entries. The other system that went long was the Kiwi BTS took a second entry on Monday. But again, if you went long some extra contracts and you wanted to take some off, you do have a nice profit from Monday on those. My other some of my other systems that went long is the McClellan systems. So this here shows you the McClellan oscillator systems, which I don't officially email these out yet, but the Triple Q went long on Monday, and that's a nice entry so far. So it went long there at 365.70, currently 369.67. This will be closing out today, guys. So if you happen to take that trade, heads up, this McClellan oscillator system will be closing out today. What else we got? On Monday, I talked about the airline area, which gapped up on Monday, looked ugly. If you got trapped in it, it's that you're actually back to positive, so you could decide if you want to hold it with a stop or you want to get out, but you are back to black. Snap, it's been on the list, breaking out of a coil here. So anyway, guys, quick recap on the McClellan oscillator systems. The Triple Q system will be closing out today. The SPY systems, they won't be closing out today. We have gotten a nice rally today. We were leaning to the upside. 50% fib is 44.15. The larger resistance, of course, is the 61.8 fib and that 50-day moving average right here. We have the FOMC at 2 p.m. Eastern. All right, we'll see how the market reacts to that, and I will have a newsletter later tonight. Take care.